Today, I'm looking at a product that was sent to me, and I was compensated to make this review about 10 Dymo, their actual little touch-up paint kit. This is a 0.5 millimeter touch-up paint kit, as you can see here. Comes with 100 little cotton swabs and actually the applicator itself if you want to do two different things. This is for. You got the touch-up applicator, and you actually have a little paintbrush. Really kind of cool. Repairs, touch-up, things like that. I'm just going to go over what it's made out of and my thoughts of it on the actual product itself. So let's take a look at it. Let's open it up. This is great for like touch up for like automotive, small chips, small detailed work in your for a craft project or any kind of project at all. Made out of metal. I want you to take a look at it. I want you to see what it's made out of. What's cool about this little reservoir right here, you can actually fill this with ink, paint, something thin, like a lacquerish type of paint, something thin so it flows through properly. You don't want to use something thick. It's great again for paint fixing up automotive small chips. Something like a micro pen, really. Just kind of interesting, the design. So you fill up the reservoir here and you just tap it, and when you tap it, it'll start flowing through the small nozzle right here, 0.5 millimeter. Really, really, really small. Great again. It's golden color. An applicator detailing. They're really calling it a fluid writing pen. Very, very interesting design. I like this. What's cool about it, it really feels good in the hand, number one. So you got a lot of full control using something like this. This I like. It has control. Then you can just kind of like get an idea how you want to touch something, or go down a certain line when you're touching up a specific item, or if you're writing on some paper and blog, something like that, and blotting or something like that specific. And what's cool about the easy to wash, easy to clean, and what's cool about this, and it has a built-in, this is actually ingenious. I love this. This opens up, it's almost like a little pin that sticks out. This helps clean out. See here how it pops out here. You can actually clean inside here, which is really important. So as you're cleaning it, you can actually clean that popping through there. I want you to see that. Hard to see, but right there, it's popping through. That actually cleans the inside of this nozzle. That's important. Keep it clean. And if you want you like a shorter writing instrument, you can take this off and actually have more control, and you can actually do more detailed work. So you can do it with it or without it. Totally up to you. You have the cleaning option with this extension, and that goes right back on. It is etched in here. It gives you maximum amount of grippage so it doesn't slip out of your hands, which I like that. Feels good. It's not heavy, and it works really, really well. I did test it a few different times, and I cleaned it up. And I wanted to just show you exactly how it looks and how it comes in the package. It comes in this package just like you see here. So these are really cool as well. This is actually a very interesting thing. I like these a lot. Let's take a look at these together. I just want to show you what they look like. And these are little 0.5 millimeter as well, little paintbrushes. Now, if you're doing a project and you need a small paintbrush, it's almost impossible to do a small project, right? So this is really cool. Very hard to see here. There's a little tiny, tiny, tiny cotton on here. It's just like a little tiny, tiny paintbrush. It's really interesting for small, detailed work, right? Small scratches. You really can't, you don't want to spread the paint everywhere when you're doing a touch-up, right? Because it goes everywhere and it makes a mess. And then you're constantly wiping. Something like this, a good close-up of this. This is super fine and small. You can do your touch-up work. It's disposable. Get 100 of them. It's fantastic. And actually, this is made out of plastic. Just tap it, you just dab it in the paint that you need, and you touch up little scratches. This is great for scratches. I love this kind of thing. A fantastic control, small, and just awesome product. Definitely highly recommend this. If you're looking to do some touch-up craft, or if you like calligraphy or any kind of art craft thing like that, I think this is definitely a way to go. Definitely highly recommend this. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.